What is resistance training? Can you start from home doing it effectively and safely? But what kind? Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Nancy Ace. I am your personal trainer, fitness instructor, Spartan, and health coach. And yes, you can start doing resistance training from home, and that's what I'll be sharing with you today. The different types there are and the benefits of resistance training. Let's begin by understanding what resistance training is. It's any exercise or activity that will require your muscles to contract against that resistance, such as pulling or pushing. All right, what equipment is good for resistance training at home? All these right here are great, but each target a different or a specific characteristic of resistance training. The dumbbells, weights, Pilates bar, the bands, the medicine ball. For example, the bands are going to target your muscular endurance. That Pilates bar here is going to help you build some muscle, some strength. It's not as effective as a dedicated strength training program lifting weights though. It will help, but if you are interested in developing more muscle mass, it is not going to be the thing. I'll tell more about that in a minute. The medicine ball right here is going to help you build your stamina, speed, agility, power to overcome resistance quickly. All right, and we all know that dumbbells, weights are going to help you build strength. But if you are interested in building lean muscle mass or develop more muscle in your chest area, or perhaps your legs or your glutes, you're gonna have to do some type of hypertrophy training. And what is that? It's basically the increase of fibers and cells in your muscles to help them grow. And these are some of the benefits that I love about resistance training. My favorite, higher calorie burn. If you are interested in losing weight, you have to lift weights or do some resistance training. I highly recommend weights though, because this is what helped me. It has helped so many people lose the weight. They didn't believe me, but they did. The second one is you build lean muscle mass. So if you're building muscle, you are getting rid of the fat. The third one is you are strengthening your bones. You wanna fight gravity, you wanna fight getting old with doing the right things. And one of the things that we lose is bone density. So we wanna make sure that we're strengthening those bones. And my fourth one is going to be endurance. You're building endurance with resistance training particularly. So if you want to endure more when you're going for a hike, or endure more when you have to carry all these grocery bags and you feel like you cannot do this, but hey, I think I can handle it better now because you are building muscular endurance. What if I don't have any of this equipment at home and I want to start today? You might be asking. Well, I am going to leave a link of different workouts that I've done that don't require any equipment, that are great for beginners or for those that have done it for a while. I like to talk about technique, form, alignment. Those things are very important, particularly if you have never done it before. So you can start today with my videos, or you can start with push-ups or squats, but again, make sure that you are doing them right. The recommendation is 2 to 3 times a week for 20 to 30 minutes. If you are interested in losing weight or toning your body or any other fitness health goal, and you're very serious about it, I am leaving a link below of a guide that I put together of principles that I've used in my practice that have helped so many people in the past, and that continues is a way of living that I think this principle sometimes we don't apply them and we don't see results. So I highly recommend that you get your guide. And I am also leaving links for those that want to start losing the weight and really toning that body with weights or no weights. No excuses. You can use water bottles. You can start with those workouts today. Here are the links for those workouts with weights. And for those that want to really continue moving forward with living a holistic lifestyle, I'm leaving links of things such as how to get healthier, or why am I not reaching that fitness goal? So topics such as those are going to be very helpful for you if you want to continue moving forward. Remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to ring the bell. When you do that, you will be notified of the upcoming videos that are going to help you move forward with your fitness journey. Until then, please take good care of yourself. Start today, no excuses. You can start with water bottles, or you can start with push-ups or with my videos. Whatever you choose to do, start today, okay? Take good care. I love you. See you next time. Bye-bye.